Hi guys, it's Christy here, welcome back to my channel. I currently have like zero lighting in my house, so I literally have my overhead lights on and natural light for this video. I can't use any of my other lights to help with this situation, but this intro will be fairly short, so hopefully next time you see me I'll have a few more lights going on. The reason that we only have overhead lights and none of the electric sockets are working is because we're currently doing renovation works to our house. We are in the process of renovating and extending a little bit, so today I thought I would do a house tour to show you what the house currently looks like, in its current form. I find these videos really interesting to watch on YouTube, seeing, what kind of space other people are living in, sort of get a few ideas. Not that I'm saying you'll get any kind of inspo from my house, but I just find these videos really interesting to watch. So I thought I would do a quick house tour, show you the house as it currently stands. I will try to remember where we got certain things in case anyone does like certain pieces of furniture, so I'll try and remember where we got certain things, but the whole house is going to be renovated, so it'll be really interesting to have this as the before video and then do an after video where there's the comparison of the before and after pictures, just even for myself to see the transformation that happens. Hopefully there is a transformation and the work is just not for nothing. But I'll go ahead and switch over to videos of the different rooms in the house. I took these videos literally just before the work started, so at the minute the kitchen is completely knocked down, all our stuff is moved into all the other rooms that we have, so the house is such a mess at the minute. So this is it before all this work happened. So hopefully you find this video interesting, you'll get more of an insight into my sort of day-to-day life of where I'm living. If you want to see that, just keep on watching. So now we're into the voiceover part. Let's just go in through to the hallway. This is the sort of wallpaper and the general theme that the previous owner had, so we've kind of kept the same theme throughout the hallway. Sort of beige and cream tones and a bit of gold in there as well. This is a picture that my friend Vicky bought me. I love it. Good message on there. And here's a little bit of a shoe box, keeps all the shoes out of the way. We actually put up curtains just because we had them spare, but we actually kind of like having curtains at the front door. And of course the best part of the house is the golf ping bag, according to my boyfriend. We really love these radiator sachets. They smell absolutely amazing. They're from the Yankee store. We just have a rug there from Donnell Mill. So let's go into the sort of good room, the good front living room. This is sort of half done. We always knew we were going to be renovating the house at some point, but we have this sort of crushed velvet sofa there. That's from World of Furniture, which is now shut down, but you can kind of see the theme that we were going for. The rug is from Donnell Mill. There's me there saying hi. We sort of went with a sort of cream, sort of white theme in here. Of course we have the Terry Bradley. I love Terry Bradley, and my dad actually got this for me and Lee for a Christmas present. Absolutely love it, and we're definitely going to keep it in the new renovated house. So we have this little mirrored hallway table. Lamps I think are from B&Q, and we'll just walk ahead into the kitchen there. So the kitchen is sort of a long rectangular shape. We're hoping to sort of extend out this area and make it into a sort of combined living dining space. There isn't actually a dining space at the minute. It was in the room that we're going to show you next, but we actually wanted to have a sort of lounging room, so we put a little table in the kitchen with 2 chairs, but there isn't really a lot of space in here for dining, so we're hoping to have a larger dining space in the extended kitchen and living space. This is all actually being knocked down right now, so it's all completely gone. And let's go into our sort of lounging living room. This is where Lee loves to play his Xbox and I love to sit and watch films. We wanted to have a really comfy area to sit in. The other room isn't really as comfortable. We have the big L-shaped sofa in here. It is so roomy. And this light is from Next. It was so hard to put up. It fell down so many times, but we managed to get it up. The sofa is from DFS. And it's done a good job so far. It's lasted pretty well. This table here is from very.co.uk. We have quite a few things from them, and you can see there the all-important Xbox. Here we have another Terry Bradley. That was a present from Lee to myself for my birthday. Again, love it. Absolutely love Terry Bradley. Love all his stuff. We have a little mirror there. That was from Lee's mum. And this is just a really comfy space. you can see there a better picture of the table there with all the sort of entertainment on it. We were going to put all the cables, sort of hide all the cables away, but we'll do that whenever the place is renovated. So you can see this is the garden here, Lee's at the end there cutting down hedges, so it's a bit of a mess at the minute, but we'll just head on upstairs here. So all the carpet was there whenever we bought the house, so it's just the same. Again, all the wallpaper is the same as whenever we bought it, so not much has changed there. So let's go on into mine and Lee's bedroom. We, again, the theme was kind of set out for this room based on the wallpaper that was there, but we loved the sort of silver theme, so we actually stole this painting here. Well, we borrowed it off Lee's mum, she had that, and then the headboard is from a local bed store in Belfast. We had an extra row of padding added to make the headboard even taller. The curtains are from Dunelm Mill, as is the bedding, sort of the sheets and the covers and things. We really love having the wardrobe space there. We have mirrored robes that were already there when we bought the house, but we bought similar ones for the room next door. They're from very.co.uk, so they were pretty cheap and they look exactly the same as those that are there. There's Lee outside there taking a wee break, usual. And there is a look back across the room. So let's go into the bathroom here. Oh, this bathroom was so annoying. It has all gold fittings, which are so hard to clean. You can't use bleach on them. You have to use special cleaning solvent, and it's just really hard to maintain gold fittings. So we really didn't like this bathroom. Can't wait to get it changed. It does the job, but Jesus, it was hard to keep clean. Let's go up into the attic room here. This is a really handy room to have. We have been using it as a bit of a storage space, but there is a bed up here, so let's just walk on up here. Here is the extra sort of spare bedroom up here. Yeah, it's just being used as a dumping ground at the minute, so it hasn't really been utilised very much. But here is my background that I use for my videos. Here is actually where I film, and you can see I've done a bit of a makeshift job there, and there is my ring light. That room was actually pretty good for filming. It had good acoustics in it. And this is just another single bedroom that I actually use for doing my makeup, so it's got a bit of a pink theme from the previous owner. Light lampshade is from B&Q, and that little table there is from Very, I think, but if it's not, I'll put it on the screen. This is then the other spare bedroom, so we went with a gold theme in here, again due to the wallpaper that was already there. The headboard is from a local Belfast company, but again we added an extra row to the top just to give it an extra bit of height. It was actually pretty cheap. The curtains are from Dunelm, wardrobes are from very.co.uk, and the bedding is from Dunelm Mill. The actual side tables there are from very.co.uk, and the lamps are from B&M. So to be honest, these are all pretty cheap places. We did the house up on a good budget, on a pretty low budget. That's me and Lee at my sister's wedding. I was bridesmaid. We really enjoyed her wedding. It was really, really good. So yeah, I mean, the house was done up not on too much expense because we knew we wanted to do up the house. It was sort of stuff that we already had, and then we bought a few things. I actually think the gold's really nice. It adds a nice warmth to the room. So that's it. Let's jump over to the outro. Hope you enjoyed the tour. So I hope you found the house tour interesting. It just shows a little bit of mine and Lee's personal life, what sort of theme we have for each of the rooms, and the sort of decor that we like. So hopefully in the new house, whenever the house is renovated, it will have a similar sort of theme and similar sort of furnishings, but just the house will be a little bit bigger. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video and a bit of an insight into our house, please give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I try to put out videos every week, but it's a struggle, and it probably will be a bit of a struggle going forward with the work happening to the house, but I'll try my best. Also, don't forget to comment down below if there's anything that you particularly liked in the house and you want me to sort of try to remember where I got it from, or any comments at all if you hated the house. Maybe you hated the house and the way we've decorated it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!